Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can get into your BMW iX3 and drive it if your key fobs actually failed. We're going to be using the manual key. Now, to replicate this, we're going to be taking the battery out of this and then you'll see what will happen. So to begin with, let's lock it. So now the alarm's enabled and the car is locked. Let's take the battery out. And now, to mimic real life, we're going to take the battery out of this. When you do this procedure, you will have to take out the manual key from the key fob. To do that, we just have to press that little button in at the side and the manual key will come out. And now we're just going to take the battery out. Obviously you won't be doing this, this is just purely for the video. Right, there we go. So one key fob which is no longer working. So if I press it now, nothing's happening. Now let's use this and we're going to get into the car. Okay, so you can see again it's not working. Now this little part comes out. To take this part out, we're going to lift the handle out like so, and you're going to get your finger and you're going to put it underneath this bit. Obviously don't drop it on your finger, so keep the handle out, get your finger under here and pop it out, but put your thumb here to stop it popping out too far. So you can see it pops out like so, and then we're just going to lift that bit out. Do not lose that, keep that nice and safe. And now just here, this is where the manual lock is. So I'm going to get the key, which is the back part of the fob, the manual key, here, and I'm going to unlock the car. The alarm will not go off just yet, so I'm putting it in this way, like so, with this part here, because it allows me to turn it. So now I'm going to unlock it and you will see it will come up here. There we go. Yeah. Now you have to take this out. Do not pull this out with the key in. So now take it out. Now when I open the door, it's going to start, the alarm's going to go off. So what we're going to do is I need to offer this up to the actual steering column, and then I need to put my foot on the brake and I need to press the start stop button. It might take a while for the car to actually recognize the key fob. So here we go. Right, the alarm's going to go off now. So foot on the brake, offering up this here, and I'm going to press start. It's saying whole vehicle key up to steering column. So I'm just moving it around, and it says remote detection, remote detected, it's possible to start. So I had to move this around a bit to make it happy, but you can now see that the car is unlocked and it is ready to drive. Now from now on, when we lock the car with the actual manual key, the alarm won't be activated. So I'll just show you that now. So this time I'm putting the key in, and now I'm going to go down, and you can now see that it's locked. To unlock all the other doors, they will have to be done from the inside. Now pretend it's another day, you come back to your car, you still haven't put a battery in your key fob, you're going to use the manual key, you're going to go up. This time the alarm will not go off because it hasn't been activated. We're going to go in, and if we have a look here, we can relax more now because the alarm's not going crazy. It will say when it's detected. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake and I'm going to go up to here, and I'm going to press start. Vehicle key missing. I'm just going to move it around. There you go, remote detected, vehicle start possible, and now I'll be able to start the car like so. Nice and straightforward. Forgot to mention, to put this back when you finally get your battery in your key fob, you want to do it with that little tab sticking out this side. You can see the way it's shaped there. So we're going to put that bit in first and then just lock that in like that. And now that's back to normal. Thanks for watching.